research. Okay, ICR. Further division, this for just names you should be aware of this. ठीक है, ये देखो ICR, ठीक है, what it has divided according to the US also gives some naming of the soil, है ना. United States Department of Agriculture, USDA, Department of Agriculture has given different names to different soils. Okay, like we have given red soil, alluvial soil, desert soil, peat and marshy. They have given this technical names: Incepti, Anti, Alphi, Vertisols, Eridosols, Ultisols. Okay, ये different क्या है names दिए गए हैं different type के soils को. Like we have called Indian ICR has called red soil, laterite soil, alluvial soil. This is what US department has given. ये नाम कभी-कभी ये पूछ लेते हैं कि स्पेसिफिक क्या है, बहुत ज्यादा डिटेलिंग नहीं, बट एटलीस्ट अगर एग्जाम में ऐसा जाए उल्टी सॉइल्स मतलब क्या, तो अगर आपने सुना ही नहीं होगा ये नाम तो आपको पता ही ना किस चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. तो ये एटलीस्ट ये नेम्स आपके दिमाग में होने चाहिए और स्पेसिफिक मैं इनके बारे में वन वर्ड बता दूंगी कि किस टाइप के सॉइल को रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. ठीक है, सो दिस इज व्हाट आईसीआर हैज क्लासिफाइड. उनके यूएस क्लासिफिकेशन के बेसिस पे इंडियन सॉइल्स को भी इस तरीके से 8 कैटेगरीज में उन्होंने बांट रखा है. ठीक है, दिस नेमिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन द यूएस टेक्सोनॉमी, सॉइल टेक्सोनॉमी. ओके, सो यू राइट डाउन दिस हेडिंग एंड दिस फर्स्ट वन, इंसेप्टी सॉइल. राइट डाउन द ICAR ICAR has also classified the Indian soil ICAR has also classified the Indian soil on the basis of their nature and character. The ICAR has also classified the Indian soils on the basis of their nature and character. On the basis of their nature and character, as per the United States Department of Agriculture, as per the United States Department of Agriculture, USDA soil taxonomy, USDA soil taxonomy. ठीक है, the maximum, that is, write down first when you write Incepti soils, Incepti. ठीक है, just you write the Incepti. ठीक है, don't write this thousands of acre, how much, the maximum. This you can write young soil. In front of Incepti you can write young soil. ठीक है, more developed, this is the percentage it is prevalent in India. ठीक है, more developed, this one is more developed than anti soil. This one, second one. ठीक है, ENTISOL, more developed. ठीक है, first one Incepti soil written, that is what you written, young soil. Second one you write, इसका परसेंटेज कितना है इंडिया में, 39% approximately. ठीक है, this is similar to our alluvial soil. Okay, just you write Incepti soil and young soil. Okay, like the Khadar belt, Khadar Babar देखा था ना हमने, younger, so like that, this is a young soil. Second one anti soils, ENTISOL, anti soils. These are immature soils. Anti soils are immature. Just one word is enough to understand this. Okay, immature soil, or you comma, little or no horizon. Little or no horizon. ठीक है, third one alphi soil. Alphi soil, ALFISOL. This is moderately weathered moderately weathered forest soil. Getting? This I've written of Alphy soil. ठीक है, अंडरस्टूड? गेटिंग द डिफरेंस? समझ में आ रहा है क्या चीजें कह रहे हैं? डिफरेंट डिफरेंट नेमिंग दे रखी है. दिस इज अ मॉडरेटली वेदर्ड फॉरेस्ट सॉइल. फोर्थ वन, वर्टी सॉइल. दिस आर क्ले सॉइल, क्ले टाइप. मैक्सिमम परसेंटेज ऑफ क्ले इज देयर, क्ले सॉइल. क्ले सॉइल. एरिडी सॉइल. वर्ड एरिडी से क्या रिप्रेजेंट होता है? दिस इज ऑफ डेजर्ट. ठीक है, डेजर्ट सॉइल, एरिड और ड्राई रीजन. This is ulti soils, that is humid or tropical, you can say. Humid region we have tropical soil. In humid temperature they are found, these soils. And molly soil, these are soft soil or grassland soils. Molly soil, molly what will represent the grass soil, or you can, this is also called soft soil. ठीक है, this one word is enough. ठीक है, just to understand what this word say. ठीक है, कहीं कहीं पे एक और वर्ड आता है, अदर्स में एक और वर्ड आता है एंडी सॉइल. एंडी सॉइल, दिस इज वोल्केनिक ओरिजिन. सॉइल्स विच है वोल्केनिक, जब वोल्केनोज निकलते हैं उसके बेसिस पे, वोल्केनो इज द पेरेंट मटेरियल, फ्रॉम दैट इफ अर्थ सॉइल इज फॉर्म, दैट इज कॉल्ड एंडी सॉइल. ANDI, एंडी सॉइल. ठीक है, is the word clear? सब समझ में आ रहा है? Getting what words represent? Can you differentiate? इसके बीच में अगर elaborate भी करना हो तो आप समझ जाओगे किस टाइप की soil की ये बात कर रहे हैं. ठीक है, the words represent their characteristics only. ठीक है, clay soil you can write, earthy soil you can understand, ulti soil you are understanding, humid tropical regions. Okay, so this is just a classification. Taxonomy means naming of the soils. ठीक है, naming, different names have been given. Now we have completed this soil wala section. Now we will move to the natural vegetation. On the basis of climate, rainfall, soil, what we get? Types of trees also, right? Yes or no? Why everybody is so quiet? Getting? Now we look at the natural vegetation. Natural vegetation of India. What is the meaning of vegetation means? Ronak, what does vegetation means? हाँ, अगर हम नेचुरल वेजिटेशन में, हाँ बोलो Nisha, what is vegetation according to you? Simple word, natural vegetation. Vegetation मतलब what it is? Vegetation. I am talking about natural vegetation of India. Vegetation, natural vegetation means what? So what it does it mean? और the types of plants, herbs, कितने तरीके के plant species है हमारे यहाँ पे, है ना? हाँ, animal नहीं आते, flora only. Fauna is for animals. Okay, two words, flora and fauna is for plants and animals. Flora and fauna means plants and animals. Here natural vegetation we will talk only about the flora, the plant species, the types of plants. ठीक है, different of plants we have seen with respect to the world also, right? Equatorial forest, evergreen forest, savanna forest. Now we will specifically look at what type of vegetation India has. Getting? चलो इस मैप में देखो क्या, what you will understand by this map. देखो, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन मीन्स टाइप ऑफ फॉरेस्ट, कहाँ पे कैसे पेड़ उगते हैं, किस टाइप के पेड़ उगते हैं. We have seen in the world geography that coniferous forests are there, right, in the mountain ranges. Desert cactus, xerophytic plants are there in desert region, low rainfall region. So this natural vegetation also, on what factors it is dependent? On the rainfall. ठीक है, is it dependent on rainfall or not? It is dependent on the type of rain, amount of rainfall happening in a region. ठीक है, जहाँ पे बहुत ज्यादा बारिश होती है evergreen forest आ जाते हैं. Where there is very less, there xerophytic plants. Near the tides or laterites and swamp plants are there. Swampy mangrove forests are there. So depending upon the rainfall, soil and topography, these are the major factors. Rainfall in you can say climate, on the basis of climate, है ना. सो दीज आर द मेजर डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर फॉर द वेजिटेशन ऑफ एनी रीजन, है ना. अगर आप पानी नहीं डालोगे वहां पे तो प्लांट उगेगा नहीं उगेगा, बहुत ज्यादा पानी डालोगे तो डिफरेंट टाइप के क्रीचर्स, प्लांट स्पीशीज वहां पे आएंगे, है ना. सो ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ दैट, on the basis of soil, rainfall, topographical relief, we have divided, India has divided the plantation into, anybody? Ning, how many categories? Officially how much it is? It is 5. Officially it is 5. ठीक है. Further there are many further divisions. Okay. Further they are divided into 16 categories. जो 5 broader divisions हैं, then they are further classified into 16 subcategories. Okay. चलो, you write down. Have you written the heading? Natural vegetation of India. Write down. अच्छा, एक चीज ये देखो यहाँ पे, इस मैप को देखो यहाँ पे. Look at this. Look at this. Annual rainfall. The rainfall also decides the amount of type of plant it will have. The regions which have 200 or more centimeter of rainfall. What type? This is a general info I am giving. ठीक है. What type of plant or vegetation it will have? Evergreen rainforest. ठीक है. एवरग्रीन इमेजेस देखे थे एवरग्रीन फॉरेस्ट की कैसे होते हैं, बहुत घने. ठीक है. सेकेंड 100 to 200, दिस इज अ मॉनसून डेसिडियस फॉरेस्ट. ठीक है. द रेनफॉल वेयर एवर इज हैविंग 100 to 200. देन 50 to 100 सेंटीमीटर इज अ ड्राई डेसिडियस और ट्रॉपिकल सवाना. Getting the difference on the basis of rainfall, the pattern of natural vegetation is also defined. ठीक है. Then 25 to 100 thorny shrub or scrub, semi arid region में छोटे छोटे घास होते हैं, है ना, ग्रासलैंड वाला रीजन, वेरी लेस वेजिटेशन यू कैन से. नाउ बिलो 25 इट इज अ डेजर्ट. ठीक है. स्पेसिफिक टाइप ऑफ xerophytic प्लांट, कैक्टस एंड ऑल. ठीक है. तो कैक्टस, कीकर, लाइक दैट प्लांट्स ग्रो इन दिस डेजर्ट एरिया. गेटिंग समझ में आ रहा है ब्रॉडली हाउ वी हैव डिवाइडेड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रेनफॉल. ठीक है. एंड सॉइल आल्सो प्रोवाइड स्पेसिफिक न्यूट्रिएंट्स टू दिस प्लांट स्पीशीज. गेटिंग. चलो, नाउ यू राइट डाउन द नेचुरल वेजिटेशन ऑफ इंडिया इन दैट. The classification of natural vegetation, the classification of natural vegetation of India is primarily based on spatial and annual variations in rainfall. Spatial and annual variations in the rainfall. Full stop. Next, temperature, soil and topography. Temperature, soil and topography are also considered. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट लाइन राइट. इंडियाज वेजिटेशन कैन बी डिवाइडेड इनटू India's vegetation can be divided into 5 main types. 5 main types and 6 subtypes as follows. हाँ, 16 subtypes. Five main types and 16 subtypes. First one, moist tropical forest. Sub-montane subtropical forest. First one, moist tropical. Second, dry tropical. Third, that is a mountain subtropical. ठीक है. Fourth one, mountain. Getting montane subtropical forest, then montane temperate forest, and fifth one is alpine forest. Alpine forest is majorly with respect to height, है ना? Alpine is with respect to height. मतलब as we go from lower latitude to higher altitude, the type of vegetation also changes. ठीक है? Now broadly, can you tell me what could be the amount of rainfall here? इन पांचों में approximately कितना rainfall होता होगा? This region, what should be the amount of rainfall that area? This area must be receiving approximately 200 plus. Can we write? ठीक है? That is 200 plus centimeter. Okay. Dry deciduous can be 100, approximately 100, right? 100 to 200. ठीक है. Then sub-montane tropical, they have around 100 to 50. Between 100 and 50 they also have. ठीक है. Then montane tropical. चलो इसके नीचे मैं लिखवाती हूँ. पहले आप हेडिंग डालो, इसके मैं कैटेगरीज भी आपको बताऊंगी. पहले फर्स्ट हेडिंग आप डालो montane tropical forest, moist tropical forest. First heading. In this, it is further classified into 4 categories. Write down 4 categories. First one, tropical wet evergreen. We are doing the first category, okay? That is a moist tropical forest. In that first category, you will write tropical wet evergreen. In front of that, you will write 250 plus rainfall. In front of that, you will write 250 centimeter plus rainfall. Okay. Here, what type of plant species? In the equatorial, what type of plant we have studied? Mahogany. है ना? Example, you can write type of plant, that is a mahogany. Mesophytes. Mesophytes. एक तरह की plant, that is a mesophytes. Now let's look at what are mesophytes. Look at this one extreme. This is, suppose this is the third desert. Okay. What type of plant has xerophytic? Right? Xerophytic plant, cactus. This desert area will have. ठीक है? And opposite to that extreme, what is suppose hydrophytic? Hydrophytic plants means what? Which are totally submerged in the swampy areas. For example, water lily. वाटर लिली होता है ना, जो पूरे पानी, हमेशा पानी में. तो ऐसे प्लांट होते हैं बिना पानी के रहते हैं, एक सिर्फ पानी में होते हैं. मेसोफिटिक वो प्लांट होंगे जो इनके दोनों एक्सट्रीम्स को छोड़ के इनके बीच में आते हैं. Getting the difference? Two extreme, the plants which are can survive, they are not very extreme. Extreme वाला केस कौन सा हो गया? Xerophytic, and other one is hydrophytic. In between, what type of plant, whatever type of plants grow, that are called mesophytes. ठीक है? And specifically here you will find in tropical evergreen there will be epiphytes. Epiphytes मतलब दिखाती हूँ, बहुत घने पेड़. Can you see this? Evergreen forest में अगर आप देखोगे तो ऐसे पेड़ होते हैं. They don't have any space between them. All the leaves are crowded. The plants are crowded. Different types of species are clubbed together. There is no pure stance. No pure stance. What does it mean? Pragya, no pure stance means? हाँ, मतलब जैसे देखो बहुत सारी डाइवर्सिटी होती है ना, अगर हर जगह दिखे कि हाँ सिंपल एक तरीके का प्लांट है तो इजीली इकोनॉमिकली वायबल होता है, दैट यू कैन कट देम इजीली, है ना, इकोनॉमिकल पर्पस से आप यूज करते हो. बट डिफरेंट डाइवर्सिटी ऑफ प्लांट, एक ही एकड़ में बहुत सारे तरीके के प्लांट आ जाते हैं, तो इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर इकोनॉमिकल पर्पस ऑल्सो. ठीक है, उसको काटना, उसको टिम्बर निकालना बहुत मुश्किल होता है. सो हियर यू विल फाइंड नो प्योर स्टैंड बिकॉज इट इज ह्यूज डाइवर्सिटी. Getting the point what I mean to say कि बहुत ज़्यादा भिन्न प्रकार के plant species है, different types of plants are there. ठीक है, so it is not feasible, economically feasible to segregate them और collect economically उनको extract करें वहाँ से. ठीक है, चलो first type you have written tropical wet for evergreen. So understood the meaning of mesophytes. Then second I'm talking about this one. Tropical wet evergreen. Second one, what is the other cat? Tropical semi evergreen. Tropical semi evergreen. Then tropical moist deciduous. 1, 2. Third one, tropical moist deciduous. And the fourth category of this is littoral and swamp. These all four categories we are talking about this only. Getting the differentiation, how we are differentiating? Natural vegetation of India, 5 categories. Now we are classifying the first one into these 4 categories. Okay, here we looked at the rainfall is 250 plus. ठीक है, in second one you write approximately 200 to 250 centimeters of rainfall. ठीक है, here you write approximately 100 to 200. ठीक है, these can change also. This is just a variable number I am giving. Approximately this is number. Okay, this is just a range. And where this littoral and swamp, these type of forests are found near the deltas. ठीक है, और estuaries. These type of forests, like for example mangrove forest, Sundarban forest. ठीक है, they come in this type, littoral and swamp forest. Getting Nisha? Important example with respect to write down tropical moist, right? Teak, sal and rosewood. Tropical moist deciduous, teak, sal and rosewood. You go at home and look at their images, okay? You write their name on the Google and find it. Then you will be able to differentiate between them, okay? Teak, sal, rosewood, जामुन, आमला जामुन also comes in this. इसमें क्या जाता है? जामुन. जामुन के पेड़ देख रहे हैं कितने बड़े बड़े होते हैं, आमला, तो वो किस कैटेगरी में आएंगे? They will come in moist deciduous. Getting? In littoral and swamp you will write examples Sundari and mangroves. Sundari trees, ठीक है, Sundarban delta, mangrove forest, दे आर फॉर्म नियर वेयर एस्चुरीज एंड डेल्टास जहां पे होते हैं. ट्रॉपिकल सेमी एवरग्रीन 200 to 250. ओके, इसमें आप एग्जांपल आप लिख लो मेहोगनी एंड बैम्बू. मेहोगनी, ठीक है. नाउ कैन यू डिफरेंशिएट बिटवीन देम ऑल? It is just for your understanding that what type of how diverse the vegetation of India is, है ना. Now second category, what is the second category? Sobo. अच्छा निशा, first repeat all the categories of this one. Moist tropical forest. हाँ. Okay, chalo. Is it clear now? We looked at the 5 categories and that we completed the first one. Now we look at the dry tropical forest. Second one you look at. Dry tropical forest. ठीक है. In this first tropical dry, write down first tropical dry evergreen. Three categories in this. Okay, tropical dry evergreen, tropical dry deciduous, and this is tropical thorn. ठीक है. In this first one, what you will write? There approximately 100 plus, you can say, centimeter of rainfall. This type of vegetation, जहाँ जहाँ ऐसे थे, it is now being cleared for agriculture. जहाँ पे because they are not very dense forest, ठीक है, comparatively less dense, so it is being cleared. Deforestation is happening in this forest only, tropical dry forest. ठीक है, cleared for agriculture. इसमें example आप लिख लो नीम, tamarind. Is this marker visible? ये कलर चेंज कर. Neem tree, not which color? No, neem is green. Yeah, trees are green only. Why blue? No, which is blue color? Huh? Indigo, that is dye. That is a plant, a different type of. It must be having flower of bluish color. Flower. Neem doesn't have blue color flower. Neem is not. Nilgiri trees, Nilgiri flowers, these are different. Jo shola vegetation, that is different. I have just took any color and written like that. It's not specifically blue color, green. Okay. Don't imagine neem with blue color. Okay, it's green only. Chalo. Written tropical dry. What type of trees? Just I'm giving few for 1 2 examples so that you can relate what type of trees come in that. Okay. Now tropical deciduous 100 to 150. This is. ठीक है. Here you write example red sanders. Famous, है ना? Red sanders, rosewood. ठीक है. गेटिंग रेड सैंडलवुड, इसकी बहुत ज्यादा वो होती है, चोरी होती है ना, स्पेशल टाइप ऑफ ट्रीज. सैंडलवुड, रोजवुड, सैटनवुड. ठीक है. दीज आर वेरी इकोनॉमिकली, टिम्बरवुड, दीज आर वेरी इकोनॉमिकल पर्पस. ठीक है. दे आर एक्सपोर्टेड इन द वर्ल्ड ऑल्सो. ठीक है. थॉर्न लेस देन 7. दिस ट्रॉपिकल थॉर्न दे हैव रेनफॉल लेस देन 75 सेंटीमीटर, ठीक है। Baboon and cacti. Is it clear? यहाँ पे ट्रॉपिकल डेजर्ट्स में बैम्बू भी आ जाता है, बैम्बू। Now third category. Repeat Sobo. Repeat tropical, dry tropical forest. What are the categories? Repeat. Okay. This are you getting clear? What type of categories we are doing? First we did this one, then second. Now we'll move to third one. What is the third category? Montane forest. ठीक है? Montane subtropical. This is a little bit of static thing that you will have to remember, okay? Subtropical broad leaf, ठीक है? Mountain मतलब hill, broad leafed hills. Here cumulatively you can write they have rainfall approximately 50 to 100 centimeter. Okay, ठीक है. This difference is mainly because of the height, because they are grown at the altitude of around 1000 to 2000 meters above the sea level. ठीक है, because we are talking about this mountain subtropical, ठीक है, in the hill areas. At what low altitude they are growing? 1000 to 2000 meter above the sea levels. What type of specific? Here you can write climbers, ठीक है. Examples you write first one with respect to this you write subtropical broadly climbers. Climbers जो चढ़ने वाले पेड़ होते हैं ना, climbers, epiphytes. Here second one you can write pine. Pine का पेड़ सुना है ना, pine. Pine, that type of trees. Chin, pine, pure stands that are made, that is used for making furniture, boxes. ठीक है, chin. Here in the third category you have small trees, shrubs, acacias, olive. This comes in the third category. ठीक है. Reason, what reason you can find them in the Himalayas? You can see example of Himalayas where they are found. Himalayas, ठीक है, ईस्टर्न हिमालयस, वेस्टर्न हिमालयस रेंजेस में. ठीक है. Here specifically if you mention these type of cheer and pine, these are found in eastern Himalayas. and few in Uttarakhand, Himachal, Kashmir varies. Okay. Getting the difference? What type of forest? They are climber epiphytes. Then we have tropical moist, उससे ऊपर चीर पाइन आ जाते हैं. Then we have olives and shrubs and small stunted trees. Here we have stunted, मतलब with less height. Montane subtropical. Fourth one, have you written this? रौनक रिपीट करो एक बार. Montane temperate, montane subtropical. Dry evergreen. Oh, चलो ठीक है. फोर्थ वन, फोर्थ कैटेगरी है montane temperate forest. That one tropical, ये कहाँ पे हो गए? टेम्परेट फॉरेस्ट.